So here we are in our model workspace, and this is where we can add new models and we can edit our models. So we're going to work on this guiding principles chatbot. So we're going to click on the pencil to open it up. And here you can see we've got our icon for it, the base model that we're using, and then it's visibility. This one, obviously it's public. Here's our system prompt. This is where we give it all of its personality, behavior, and a lot of good information that we want it to be able to speak about. So system prompt is hidden from the user, but this really helps guide that user's experience. And we also have the ability to add knowledge. So when we go to select knowledge, we can pick a collection, and we could share those collections across multiple chatbots as well. So we're going to create a collection. That's what we're going to do right now. So the first thing we do is we go over, obviously we're in our workspace. We're going to click on knowledge, come over here and click on the plus, give our knowledge base a name. So we'll create that knowledge base. So we have to actually add some content to it though, obviously. So that's the next thing we're going to do. So we come over here again and we click on this plus to add content. And we can upload files. We could select a directory. We can put a bunch of information into a particular directory, and we can pull it from there. And we can, when we add more stuff to that directory, we can sync it. So it's just a matter of reloading it. Or we can just literally put straight text content in here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sync a directory, because I've put a bunch of information in a directory already. So that's a good way to do it. So click here. And, oh no, I don't want to sync it. We want to connect it. Upload a directory. So I keep all of the knowledge for all of the different bots in this folder, bot knowledge, and then I'll have a subfolder for each bot. So here's the guiding principles, and then here we've got some information in here. So that's going to be the folder we're going to take. So we're going to give it permission to view those files. Now we're going to upload those files. And what's happening right now, it's actually doing math. It's taking those files and it's applying an algorithm to it, and the output of that algorithm is numbers. It's just a bunch of numbers, but it's a much smaller representation of the original information. The chatbot's never going to be able to reproduce that information exactly that we're putting into it. It just has knowledge of it. It has awareness of how it's all put together and how it relates to other things, and it's able to speak about it. So as you can see here, we've got a lot of stuff that we've added to it. Access button here. So let's see what this is. We can give this public access, or we can make this available only to certain chatbots, to certain groups of users. So we'll keep it public for now. So now we've got this chatbot that's got that, some really good information. One thing I'm looking forward to is the ability to provide it with URLs and just tell it to go and read those URLs. I can do that in the prompt and in the system prompt a little bit, but it'd be much nicer just to be able to add it right here. But that'll be coming soon, I'm sure. So this is how we add knowledge to the chatbot, and its behavior is going to improve from that. I hope you have some time to check out the Guiding Principles chatbot. It's a really great resource that will help you establish the guiding principles you need to have a successful rollout of AI in your space.